Hello guys, how are you doing today? Are you good? So before we start our class, don't forget to subscribe in the video and activate the notifications to keep improving your English, alright? This class, we're going to talk about November 14th, okay? And the text shows the discovery of a planet candidate, which is a big ice planet, 3.2 times more massive than Earth, okay? The researchers are confident that Barnard's star B, which is the name of the planet candidate, will be declared as a planet. Okay? So we have the verbs. We have in here to host, to find, to lie, to be, to detect, to remain, to spot, to confirm, to say, and to continue. Okay? And then we're going to go to the home practice. Home practice are on pages 1234, 1235, okay? In this exercise, you are going to watch the video and write down as many verbs as you can, okay? So we have in here some examples of the video. Know, are, arrange, pick, see, press, traveled, be, become, is, change, disintegrated, went, fly, survive, heat, clean, look up, wait, figure out, sterilize, master, move, acquire, die, cut, try, solve, and look like. Okay? And we have in letter B. What would happen if humans disappeared? So we have an example. If humans disappeared, then nature would take a long time to replace what human roles. Okay? Then, senior master, you have to record an audio summarizing the video. So, we have in here. We have Arnold with a remote control that allows him to time travel. He travels to the past, in which he travels 3 billion years back in time, and after travels to 2020, and there he is the last human alive, okay? And the narrator shows the consequences of being the last human. When he pressed the third button, he transferred to Earth 2, in which he could pilot robots, okay? And now we're going to go to the review, okay? This review, we're going to talk about conditionals. But we are not going to talk about all the conditionals. We're going to talk about 0, first, and second conditional, okay? So we have there, 0 conditional talks about present real facts, okay? So things that are generally truth. What you're going to use? You're going to use if or when, simple present, and after the comma, simple present. Or you can switch places, which we have simple present, if or when, plus simple present. What we have to remember, in this second case, as is the correct order, you're not going to use comma, okay? And we have the example. If we find a way to preserve the earth, we are saved, okay? So we have in the first order, all right? Now we are going to go to the first conditional. First conditional talks about present or future real possibilities, okay? So we're going to talk about something that if you start in the present, you can get it into the future, okay? So the structure will be if or when, simple present, will, can, may, be going to. Or will, can, may, be going to, if, simple present. Same as the first conditional, we are not going to use the comma in the second structure, all right? So we have, if we continue finding other planets, we will continue finding other planets if we remain studying the universe, okay? And finally, we have the second conditional. Second conditional talks about present or future unreal possibilities. So we're going to talk about hypotheses, okay? We're gonna have if plus simple past, would, could, might, or would, could, might, if simple past. Same as the ones before. The second structure, we are not going to use comma, okay? So we have researchers could detect more things if people invested on science. Okay? So guys, that's it for today. It was a pleasure to be with you. Don't forget to come to our classes and see you next time. Bye bye.